Calculus Unlocked is a series of videos teaching prerequisite calculus concepts. So they're really useful for review, or if you've never heard of these topics, you can get started on learning them so you can pick them up quicker when you're in your Calculus 1 class.
It was really easy, in fact, to make these videos because with Camtasia and all the extra accessories, you could record what you want and then go back and edit to make a video that you thought was useful for your class. So the tablet essentially just is like a piece of paper, but it transcribes everything you write into the computer so that you don't have to use a mouse. You can just take a pen and you write on the tablet and it sends it all into the computer.
It's really easy. You just hit record, just talk about whatever you want, and it's really easy to cut and edit the video.
By assigning these videos for students who need reinforcement or review to watch at home and then assessing them to make sure that they've mastered it, you're really supporting those students who need it the most while preserving that critical face-to-face classroom time so that all your students can get the support that they need from you in that classroom environment.
So for a student watching the video, they're gonna need to watch the initial mini lecture at the beginning of the video, and then to really get the most out of it, they should look at each question that we go over. But before we give the answer and the explanation, they should do it themselves to really reinforce the material and to see if they can actually get it on their own, and then play the video for the rest of the time to see the answer and the explanation if they've gotten it wrong.
At the beginning of the video, students have to input their first and last name and email address, and then at the end of the video there's a quiz that they can use to assess whether or not they understood the concept, and then it emails the results directly to you so that you can see whether or not the student mastered the concept.
I think it's important for students to see these videos because they're very relatable, because when students are learning from other students, they might pick it up better than just learning in lectures all the time. And it's an extra resource to use if you're falling behind in class or you need extra help. You can watch these videos and pick it up faster.
So one of the main advantages of creating a flipped classroom or blended learning environment is for differentiation, to help you meet the needs of all your students. When a lot of students already know the prerequisite skills and you spend class time on it for those students who are struggling, the students who already know the skill are going to become disengaged with the material.